Hello guys, welcome. So my name is Victor and today I'm going to be showing you how to accept payment on your website with Paystack. Okay, so Paystack is a payment processor available in most African countries and in the US. So of course, I trust you're already aware that PayPal does not work in Nigeria. So basically what we use is called Paystack, okay, to accept payment. So assuming this is my e-commerce website and I'm going to use this button to accept payment from my customer. Okay, now with this button we have 50,000. Assuming this is what your customer is going to pay you. However, you're going to implement this with basic HTML, you're going to be able to do that. But basically I'm going to show you how the process works, and then from that knowledge you can use it to do whatever you want. Okay, so we have this button here and we're going to proceed. So this is my HTML code, basically whatever you're seeing on the page here. Okay, this is the HTML right here. Okay, so basically we're going to proceed with this. So you simply go to Paystack documentation. So a documentation is simply a guide, okay, that directs you on what you want to implement, probably like the website or whatever, okay, and how you're going to implement that. So you quickly go to Paystack. Okay, go to your browser and type Paystack doc. Okay, so this is the documentation. Okay, so you're going to get this link. Okay, so now you wait for it and then you click on payment. Okay, then you have accept payment here. Okay, accept payment. Okay, it's going to lead you to this page. So you're going to scroll down to where you have this. So this is just a basic HTML form to implement payment, okay, using Paystack. Okay, so we're not going to use a form actually, so we're going to need just this link, okay, that will connect our application with Paystack. Okay, I trust I already have this link on my HTML page, but let's just verify. So we're going to scroll up. Okay, so we have it. Okay, have it already. So if you're not having it, just paste it here. Okay, you just paste it anywhere at the head or at the bottom of your HTML file, wherever you want to place it is also fine. Okay, so we already have this, right? So I'm just going to click on this. You're going to click on JavaScript. So you're going to get this. You're going to get this JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm going to copy this right now. I'm going to copy it to the bottom. So copy it here. Okay, so we'll copy that and I'm going to take it to this script tag here at the bottom of my HTML file and simply paste. Okay, so we don't need this tool here. So we're doing it with an HTML form. That is when we'll need this. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, so we're going to take this event listener here. Okay, this is an event listener. Okay, event listener is just basically like when you click on something, this is what should happen. Okay, with basic JavaScript, I trust you will understand what event listener means. Okay, but we're not doing that. So I'm going to take. Also, we've taken that out, so we're just left with this JavaScript function. Okay, so now what you see here is you're going to need your product key. Okay, so a product key is just what simply identifies your account, okay, with Paystack. Okay, so the way to get your product key is simply you open a new tab and you go to Paystack itself. That is a official website. Okay, so if you don't have an account with Paystack, you simply create an account for free, or if you already do, you click on login to log into your Paystack account. Okay, so while you click on login, just wait for it a few seconds. Okay, so I'll try to log in right now with my account. Okay, so sorry about my poor internet connection. So we just wait for it to load. Okay, let's see what happens. Right, so it loads now. Then you click here, go to your profile. You wait for it. Okay, so my profile, and then you click on this API keys and webhook. Okay, so you click on this, just wait for it, and then so here I have my product key. Okay, so it's actually different. If you're using your own account, will be different, your product key will be different from mine. So you just copy this, so it's copied, so basically just paste it here. Okay, fine. So that's my product key. So this is the email address that will be sent to your customer. Okay, so you just enter an email address here. That's my email address. So assuming you're your customer, you could just enter the email address that will be forwarded to your customer. Alright, so I'm going to enter my email address. Like when this payment has been processed, I'm going to receive an email address. So in your own case, it could be like your customer receiving like the transaction. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so your customer just basically receiving the transaction to their mail. So you're going to enter your email here, and yeah, you're going to enter the amount you're going to charge the customer. So this could be dynamic. With just basic JavaScript knowledge, you can make this dynamic. So for different customers, different email address, and of course the payment here also. So I'm going to type 50,000. Okay, so 50,000 here multiplied by 100. So since we're using Kobo in Nigeria, so it has to be multiplied by 100. You just can't say 50,000 here. Okay, it doesn't work that way. So whatever the amount times 100. Okay, so I'm saying red line here, which is error, is just warning me that I need a comma on this other line. Okay, so this is fine. This is my email address. This is 50,000 times 100. So what we have here is basically a JavaScript function called pay with. Okay, so this what would I have here? Pay 50,000. Basically what you have here. Okay, pay with 50,000. So when I click on this button, pay 50,000, it's going to trigger. It's going to call this function called pay with Paystack, which is what you see here. It's going to run everything that we have here. Okay, so that's just how it works. So I'll save this and then refresh my page so that whatever has been implemented here will be saved. So I'm going to reload my page, and that is it. Okay, so I'll click on pay with 50,000 and just wait for it. Okay, I can see there's an error there. Fine, let's debug that. Okay, so we have product key. I guess maybe I didn't copy that properly. Okay, but you see, if you look carefully, you see a letter S there. Okay, so it was the process of saving it. I mistakenly added a letter S, which was not part of my product key. Okay, so now save it again and try. So I'll refresh my page and then click on pay 50,000 again, and then wait for it. So let's see how it goes this time. All right, so yeah, fine. So we say here pay 50,000, right? So we click on success. So this is just a test transaction. It's not actual money. It's not actual real money. So if you want to accept real money, I think the process requires that you have a CSV document, right? So you're going to do all that, and then it will be production. Okay, it's going to be real money, but this time it's just the same way. You just have to provide those documents for Paystack to verify that you are a legitimate business. Okay, but apart from that, it's still the same process. So click on success and click on pay 50,000. So just wait for it. Now the transaction was successful. So as at this very moment, I'm sure if I check my phone, I would have gotten an email that has been sent to me that 50,000 transaction was successful. Okay, which I paid on this website. Okay, so this is just basically how to implement it, as simple as this. Okay, I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you find it very helpful. So if you want more, I'd love to see you to share this, like and comment. Thank you very much. My name is Victory once again.